Welcome back, folks, to the DUI channel. We are in Rock Island, Illinois, where on January 19th, 2020 at 9:55 p.m., Rock Island police responded to a single vehicle accident near the intersection of 26th Street and 5th Ave. The caller had stated that the vehicle had crashed into the median and was stuck. Police arrived on scene as the investigation began.
I've got someone coming who's going to be taking over primary for this. He ran up over a median and into a tree. The vehicle he's driving looks like it's totaled.
Median into a tree?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay. Okay, sir.
Rycom 205. This vehicle is going to be totaled. He knocked down one of the fir trees here in the median.
Yeah, I'm not injured.
Is the car down?
I think my car is damaged. Can you get me out tonight?
I don't know. He said he don't.
Mr. You're going to have to call him back, man.
Huh?
You're going to have to call him back. I need to speak with you.
Back. I'll take my cars and then impound it. And then I'm losing my job and then I'm losing everything.
You can hang up your phone, man. I need to talk with you.
Alright. Hey, I'm going to talk to the officer, okay? You hear me? I don't know where I'm at, but just meet me somewhere. Yes, sir.
You said what?
I still.
I don't need to talk to him. I need to talk to you. You need to get off the phone. I need to talk to you.
Alright. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you got the phone.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, boss.
Alright. Yes, sir.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
I did have what is it? I had a drink.
What's that?
I had a drink.
I can't hear you.
I had a drink.
When you say a drink, what do you mean by a drink?
One or two.
One or two what?
One or two or three drinks.
What were you drinking?
Beer.
Beer?
Yes.
When you say one or two drinks, you talking about cans, 12 ounce? You sound like you're under the influence to me, sir. Huh? Just sit tight a moment. I need to talk to my partner. You close the door. Let's just close the door. He's definitely from DUI, man. Speech is slurred.
He's suspended.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
This is total, man. You want me to write up your tow package for you?
Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna have to get him out. You say he's has he got any alcohol in there?
I kept
Man.
the door closed because I want to keep it. You know what I'm saying?
Dude, he popped that tree right off.
Yeah. I'm surprised he ain't hurt him.
Hey, bud, can you step on out for me? Can you get out? Can you get out?
I'm not sure.
Are you hurt?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I don't know if you hear stationary bag or what. The slip is definitely swollen.
Let me see if you're injured or not.
No, I'm not.
You're not injured?
You hit your face in the wheel?
Okay.
No, I'm not.
So you wanna you mind hanging up? Talking to me about what happened?
Oh, no.
Okay, what happened tonight?
I think I slid. You know what I mean?
You hit some ice?
Yeah.
And you went straight and slid in and hit that tree?
I'm not sure if it's a tree or not, but
Okay. How much you had to drink tonight?
like one beer.
You haven't had nothing but one?
That's it.
That's it? Okay.
And I think I was riding, and then slid and hit the tree,
Okay.
and that's it.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get home.
All right. How about we step out and since it's so cold out, all right,
And it's cold.
and it's really cold, and we go down to the police department and to the garage where it's warm, and I want to do a couple tests to make sure that you're okay to drive.
So you gonna drive this car?
No, I'm not gonna drive this car. This car's totaled, man. See the front? You want to see the front end? Get out. Let me show you the front
What
end.
do you want me to do?
I want you to come with me.
But I want you to call my son though.
I can do that, but we got to get going here. I don't want to stand out in the cold, so why don't you come?
I already had him on the phone.
Oh, go ahead and call him. What do you want to tell him?
To meet me down there.
Well, no, he doesn't need to meet you down there. Why don't we call him back when we know a little more, okay? I promise I'll let you have that phone call, okay? But right now I want to find out if you are too impaired to drive. Then you should be good, okay?
So what do you want me to do?
I want you to get out of the car and come with me. You have anything illegal on you?
No, you can't come.
All right, see if you can get out. Well, be careful.
Check that thing.
All right, just
I don't have no weed, no nothing. You
see if you can get out. I'll pull this branch back.
damn. No. Look at that.
Yeah, airbags popped.
Yeah, I think I hit the wrong spot.
Oh yeah,
I did, didn't I?
you see that?
Don't even do wrong.
Come with me.
Yep.
We're gonna go down to this squad car right down here, okay? Yeah, it's cold.
And that's
Come on this side.
all day.
Come on this side, bud. Turn.
Uh,
Is it Turner? Is that your first name or last name? Let me pat you down. Make sure you don't have any weapons on you, okay?
Nephew died last night.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Where?
He's from here.
He's from Rock Island?
He's from Rock Island. His name is.
What's
Now,
this?
You check that. Check.
What is this thing?
What? What's that? What's that? Oh my elephant.
Yeah, what is that?
It's an elephant.
Yeah, I know, but is it like a pipe or something?
No, check it out. Look at it. Look at the whole thing. Look at the whole
Here,
thing.
go ahead and take it out for me.
No, you look at the whole thing. Look at the whole thing. The whole thing is to pass to the east. See?
Ah, I
You
see.
see?
I see.
There ain't no hole in there or nothing.
Yep. No.
You see what I'm saying?
Just
There ain't
nice,
no hole.
nice little ornamental piece.
Yes.
Nice.
It's for my nephew. He died tonight.
Where?
And he's from here, right?
Yep.
But he died in Indianapolis. Check my whole thing.
I just have to make sure.
I don't have nothing now.
Okay.
Nothing.
Go ahead and have a seat in the back of my car. We're gonna go down where it's a little warmer, so we can do a couple tests. Okay? Have you ever been arrested for driving under the influence before?
I'm pretty sure I have.
Okay.
Due to the cold weather, the suspect was transported to the police station to perform standardized field sobriety tests.
All right, man. You want to step out real quick? No, you're fine. You're fine. Just relax. Relax. Okay? We're down here because this is a lot warmer than it is on the street. Okay? And I just want to make sure I'm going to do a couple tests to make sure. First of all, you know that you don't have a driver's license, right?
Yeah.
You're suspended. Okay?
Well, I'm not really suspended. It's because I don't have no insurance.
Is that the reason why?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I don't have SR22.
Okay.
Other than that, I have insurance.
Okay.
Other than that, I have license.
Well, given the fact that that you kind of came off the road and you hit a tree and you hit it good, you know,
I slid.
I just need to meet my job. I got to make sure that you're okay.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Okay. All right. So first thing I want to do is I want to test. Can you take out your hat for me?
Yeah.
Do you wear any contacts or glasses or anything like that?
No.
No? Okay. I'm going to test your vision, okay?
All right.
What I want you to do is focus on the top of my finger, and I'm going to move it right to left. And try not to move your head, okay? Keep your head still and move back and forth with my finger with your eyes, okay? Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right. A couple more tests if you don't mind.
All right.
Okay. I got to read this word for word or else I mess it up. Okay, we're going to do a walk and turn test. Test your balance, all right? Is there anything that would stop you from being able to do this?
Is there any way y'all can just get me in here?
I have to do this, man. All right? All right, are you injured or anything like that?
No.
Okay. So I'm going to demonstrate the test before we do it to show you so you know what you're doing,
Well,
okay?
I'm in. Sure. We need.
Okay. So basically we're going to go on this line right here. All right? I want you to watch me. So I want your left foot on the line, now put the right foot in front of your left foot, all right? Just like this. With your right heel touching your left toe, demonstrate. Do not begin until I tell you to. When I say begin, take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line, turn around, and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. Make sure that you turn by keeping your front foot, and I'll show you that pivot, okay? Keep your arms to your side at all times and watch your feet. And count your steps out loud, okay? Once you begin, don't stop. So basically what you want to do is this, okay? Put your left foot on the line, right foot in front, hands to your side, count out loud. 1001, hold on, wait for me. I'm going to show you what to do, okay? 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007. Could you give me a little space here? 1008, 1009. When you get to 9, just keep your foot on the line, just pivot around. And then take 1001, 1002, all the way back to 9. Okay, hold on. Don't start yet, okay? So you got to take your hands out of your pocket for me. Keep your hands to your side, watch your feet, and go ahead and start when you're ready.
All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right?
Okay, now back.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Now we're going to do one more test.
Are you serious, man?
Okay, one more test is
Are you
just...
serious, man?
What's that?
Are you serious?
Serious about what?
Nothing.
This is what we got to do. This is my job. Okay? All right. You want to do the last test?
Yeah.
Okay. One leg stand. Okay? So please...
Oh, not the one that stand. Not the one where you hold your leg up.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah, that one.
Oh, I can't do that, man.
You can't do that one?
Man, I went to work at 4 in the morning.
Why can't you do that one?
I went to work at 4 in the morning.
So what are you saying?
I went to work at 4 in the morning.
So you're too tired to do that?
Let me see.
Okay, let me show you first, all right? So
But I went to work
please
at
stand
4
with your
a.m.
heels and toes
went
together,
to-
like this, okay? Put your arms at your side, okay? Don't start until I tell you to. When I tell you to, raise either foot approximately 6 inches off the ground with your toes pointed up. Keep your legs straight. Hold that position while you count out loud for 30 seconds, in 1001, 1002, all the way to 30.
All the way to 30. Come on.
Or until I tell
That's
you to
a
stop,
long time.
all right? If you put your foot down, put it back up and continue counting. Watch your raised foot while you are counting and keep your arms at your sides.
I can't do that.
Okay? Do you understand what you got to do? Arms to your side,
I can't do that.
okay?
See, you can't.
I can do that.
Let me see you do it.
All right,
Let me see you
I'll
do it.
demonstrate it for you,
Let me see
okay? Ready? 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 14, 15, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, okay? You keep going. I'm not even going to make you go to 30,
I
okay?
did have a drink.
What's that?
I did have a drink.
I know, I understand that. I just want to make sure that
Let
you're...
me see, let me see.
Arms to your side.
Oh, man, man, come on, man.
Okay. All right, so here's the deal. Okay. You failed the field sobriety test, okay? I think you had more than one to drink.
Yeah.
All right. So you're gonna have to be arrested for DUI.
Oh, no, I ain't taking DUI. I do test.
Okay.
I do test.
You have the option to blow or not. Okay.
Yeah, I blow.
Okay.
I blow.
All right. So we're gonna go right in here. To go in here, I have to put you in handcuffs. Okay. So we're just gonna go up front, man.
Right.
No, up front. Up front. I don't want to make you all twisted and everything, especially after you've been into an accident. Hey, do you have insurance on that car?
No.
No insurance?
No.
Man, and that's your car?
That's cool.
That's your car though?
Yeah.
Because it's like total. That's what I'm saying. Man, it's bad. Did you see that front end?
No.
That front end
You
is.
didn't let me see.
I pointed it to you. I showed my
I
flashlight on it.
see.
It's bad.
So it ain't running?
No, man. That car ain't going nowhere. All right, your whole tire rod is completely bent off. That's why you couldn't open your doors, because it was hitting the fender there. Oh, just stand right here for me, bud. I'll be right back. No, you got a bond. I'm secure.
Following the arrest, the suspect, Turner, attempted to blow into the police station's breath alcohol content machine. After 3 attempts, he was unable to provide a sufficient breath sample. This was considered a refusal. In court, the defendant was charged with and convicted of 2 separate Class A misdemeanors. Turner was fined $75 for driving on a suspended license and $1,250 for driving under the influence, or DUI. Ultimately, he was ordered to pay $4,040.03. As of November 8, 2022, the entire balance is outstanding. Turner was further sentenced to 0 days in jail, conditional discharge for 12 months, and was ordered to attend an alcohol treatment program.